back to another video, and I'm going to create a video game in Python. So I'm first going to import my modules. Imports, and I start out with the turtle. Import time. I can't type. Import random, and I'm going to do I'm gonna try to let's create our screen. Okay, so WN will equal turtle dot turtle. So I have to add the brackets. Okay, so WN dot let's see, BG color. I'm gonna do yellow. WN dot title. My game. Now I'm going to make my player. Okay, so I'm going to do P equals turtle dot turtle. And I'm going to do P dot shape. And I'll do a square. P dot color. I'll do green. I'll do pen up because I wanted to start drawing out stuff whenever you move. Go to 0, 0. Okay, so functions for player. W. I'm going to forward 50. Okay, now do S P dot backward 50 A P dot left 90. We'll just do that, and I'm going to do diff D to right 90. Okay, so we are going to then do place action when key is clicked. So I'm going to just give this another. I'm not sure why it's making me indent like that, but I'm going to do turtle. That is spelled that on turtle dot on key W turtle. Oh, he's doing that. Dot on key S turtle dot on key turtle dot on key. Okay, and now I'm just going to go back up here and do A, A, and then D, D. Okay, now I'm going to do listen for keys, press turtle dot listen. Okay, I'm just going to really quickly add keeps game running. Okay, so with this I'm going to do turtle dot main loop. Here it is. Let's just run this, and so we have turtle. Okay, let's see. So BG color is yellow. Let's see if any of this runs. Yeah. So turtle has no attribute. Okay, well, I have BG color up here, and I don't understand really what's wrong. I don't. BG color WN, and we're going to make sure all this is working. Okay, but I don't turtle. No turtle. Turtle, and then turtle. Okay, it should be fine though. I don't get it. Let me just rewrite this. Green. WN equals turtle dot turtle. Okay, I think I did it. And BG color yellow. WN dot title. Game by double code. Okay, I don't get it. Yellow. No, I don't get what's BG color yellow. Okay, let me run this again and see the error. Okay, so in line 8, let me go see what line this is. Oh, so right now it says it is line 8. Okay, I'm just waiting. Yellow. Turtle. Object has no attribute. What do you mean it's color? Did you mean BG color? Did I mean color? No, because it's like the background person. No, I didn't mean color. Okay, let me try this again. Here, let me just get rid of this then. And we'll see if it runs fine. Okay, yeah, it's not just that. Okay, so there is something else. Turtle the turtle. Oh, well, let me see where this error is. It is on line 31. Okay, well, that one's easier to find. Turtle. Because, like, okay, so now let's try. What is this? Oh, there was an error, just, I think, messed up. Okay, so there's our player, but I'm gonna, hold on. I'm just going to down here, while true self turtle update. I'm not sure if this is how, I'm pretty sure that's how it was, but okay, straight line 5 update. Line 5, okay, well, let's see if that fixes it. I don't know why there's so many bugs. We're just going to do that in turtle. Okay, I'm not sure this is going to. Okay, so I'm going to then try to do this green. WN equals turtle dot turtle. WN dot BG color. I'm gonna try red, because I know I didn't spell that out, and I don't think I spelled it all. See? Look. BG color is how I always do. Turtle. Attribute error. Turtle. No attribute BG color. Did you mean color? I did not mean color. I mean, like, I don't think it's color because I do it all the time with BG color. Like, look, it doesn't work. See? That's color. I just realized what I've been doing wrong. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now we do BG color. WN dot title game with MLB UBBY3. Okay, so now what we're going to be able to get is this. Okay, that's red's green. I think black might go better with the player with that. Okay, so yeah, that's better. Hold on, what is wrong now? Like 15 black back. Okay, so now we got this working. That was chaotic. Okay, we have a player. Like, we don't have the arrow keys. I'm gonna really quickly add arrow keys because if you're not used to the WASD, then you could use arrow keys. Up, turtle dot on key, turtle dot on key, turtle dot on key. That should be it, yeah. And this one will be S, down. And then this one will be A, we'll do left, and then we'll do D, right. Okay, so let's see if we can play by the arrow keys. Okay, it's working. Yeah, the arrow keys work now. So here we'll play by arrow keys now. Alright, so we're going to need something that we're gonna have to make collision, which I'll do next video, but that's gonna be it for this video. This video was really there's a lot of bugs in this one, so we're going to start another video in soon. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. See you next time.